Hello, today we will take a look into the 5 flex tricks that every front-end developer should know. So let's get started. Number 1. How to center a child element inside a parent element. Here is our HTML. This is some basic code. We have one parent div with a class called parent and then h1 child with class child. And here's our basic CSS. Currently it has nothing much in it. Currently the output is something like this. Now to center the child horizontally, first we have to add the display flex property to the parent, and a justify content center will center the child horizontally. Here it goes. It has been centered horizontally. Now we will apply the align item center property to center it vertically. Yep, there you go. You have your child element centered in your parent element. It's as simple as that. Number 2, the gap property. In Flex, we always don't have to use justify or align in parent or add margin in child elements to add spacing between the child elements. For example, in this particular Flex, to add a gap or spacing of 10 pixels between the child elements, we just have to add the gap property in the parent div and set it to 10 pixels. And after we save it, there you go, Flex does that for us. It's as simple as that. Number 3, the Flex wrap property. In this example, we have these two child divs in a Flex container, and because of their fixed widths, the second child is overflowing from the parent container. This is caused because the Flex doesn't wrap its contents by default. To fix this, we just have to change the Flex property of the parent to wrap. And yep, it worked. Number 4. How to do a quick navbar layout using Flex. Now here the red portion represents our navbar, and we also have one title which we want to place at the left, and we've also got two links which we will be putting at the right. Now first we'll fix the links so that they appear side by side. Now if you take a look at our HTML, I've put the links in a smiley div. Now let's fix the links. For that we'll make the smiley div with Flex and add a gap of 10 pixels. So yeah, our links are now fixed. Now to bring the title and the links in the same line, we will make the parent container div, that is the red portion, a Flex itself. Yep. Now Flex by default, the Flex direction is row and the justify content is set to Flex start. Now we have to edit the justify content property to make the links go to the right. So in the parent div, we just have to add justify content and space between, and yep, there you go. And this is completely responsive. So as we shrink the screen where it goes, the title always remains at the left and the links are always at the right. Number 5, the order property. Now to show this, let's assume you want this Flex to show the elements in the order 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. But for some purpose, like fetching the children in JavaScript in the correct order, you have to add the child elements in the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the HTML. Now how can we achieve this? It's actually quite easy. Flex children have a property called order. We can add different order property to each element to fix the order in which they are rendered in the browser. By default, order is always 0. So each one of these child have an order of 0 by default. Now if we want to bring the third element to the left of the remaining ones, we have to add an order to it which is less than 0. Now in the HTML, I've added in smiley class to the third element. Now in the CSS to this smiley class, I'll add an order, something that is less than 0. I'll put -1, and if I save this, 3 comes to the middle. It's so simple. We can add any order to each of the elements, and their position will be determined by their relative orders. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you want us to make a website for your business or personal project, please visit sirenodevs.in or visit our Facebook page at facebook.com/sndevs. All links are in the description. See you later. Bye.